Hey there, ever typed an email and realized you accidentally wrote it in all uppercase? Don't worry, in this video, I'll help you fix it in a super simple way. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, compose a new email or open the draft you want to edit. If you want to compose, click here. But if you want to edit your draft, click on Drafts and open the draft and select the text you want to convert. Simply select it and copy the text by typing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now open new tab and type convert uppercase to lowercase and it will give you many websites. Open the first one and simply paste it here by tapping Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Now click on lowercase. Here you get it. Your text is now converted into lowercase. Simply copy it and go back to your drafts, delete it and paste it here. As you can see, your uppercases has been converted into lowercase in such a simple way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.